Waking up on the playa is pretty amazing. Look at this. Look at this place. It's unbelievable. Drinking some coffee, and I'm about to go ride Oregon BDR. I got 5 days to finish it. I'm f***ing stoked. Let's do it. Yeah. This is it. Oregon BDR, section 1. Starts roughly in 20 miles. Hell yeah. Look at this. Look at this space. Look at this playa. This is amazing. Onto a bathroom and off we go. Welcome to Oregon BDR section 1. Woo! This is incredible amount of fun. Holy guacamole. The remoteness of this. Nothing's around. Nothing. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. Haha. Damn! Oh hi! This is amazing! Woo! Damn! Rocky! Oh, Rocky's an understatement. Okay, okay, okay. Woo! 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 Take it easy! Take it easy! Nice! This is my life. Holy shit! Okay, I need a picture. Not a soul around. The Oregon BDR is absolutely spectacular. Sometimes I wonder why I do these things. Look at this beauty. Peace and quiet. Utter peace and quiet. Complete zen. It's Monday. Everybody works. But me. Awesome. Let's keep going. Oregon! Oregon does not disappoint. How pretty is this? How pretty is this? Dog. This is the end of section 1 of Oregon BDR. I am in Plush, Oregon. And I need to find gas, water, and then hope I go find a campsite. Oh, I hope they have gas. Oof. Oh. Oh, my butt hurts. Okay, I found the free campsite. It's in a city park in Plush. There's a toilet, there's water, and it's free. And I'm gonna roll my bike in because I'm not supposed to drive there, but I'm gonna park next to my tent. So, okay, let's secretly, stealthy roll it in. Okay, let me show you my setup. The bike. Here's my tent. And it's free. And there are bathrooms right there. What else do you need, huh? That's it. And with this, I'm gonna sign off. It's not late, but I'm really tired, so just gonna enjoy some adult beverages and then have a good night's sleep and start section 2 mañana. Hasta mañana.